Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a homeopathic medicine with the unique healing properties. So, yes, I'm talking about Sanguinaria canadensis. So, if you are curious about homeopathy or seeking natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is definitely for you. So, join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Sanguinaria canadensis as a homeopathic medicine. So, let's talk about homeopathic medicine, Sanguinaria. So, Sanguinaria canadensis is derived from the plant that is bloodroot and it is also called as bucone. This plant belongs to the family that is Pipaveraceae, and the fresh root of this plant are potentized as per the homeopathic formula that extract and intensifies its medicinal properties. And after going through this process, which is called potentization, it becomes a highly valuable homeopathic medicine that is Sanguinaria. It is a leading homeopathic medicine for managing headache, particularly on the right side. Now, next, we'll talk about the constitution of Sanguinaria canadensis. So, it is an effective medicine for the person having a tendency to suffer from right sided headaches. Secondly, it is also recommended for the person who suffer from joint pains, especially shoulder joints. And beside these, it is also recommended for those having respiratory issues. Now, next, we'll talk about the drug action. So, the most important action of this medicine is noted on the head to treat headache and migraine type of headaches. It acts magnificently on the joints and mucous membrane of the respiratory tract. The other part of the body where it acts are face and nose. And in general, the action of this medicine is on the right side of the body. Now, next, we'll talk about the clinical indications of Sanguinaria. So, this medicine can be used for headaches, migraine headaches, asthma, arthritis, cold, cough, neuralgia, which means nerve pain, pneumonia, and nasal polyps. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every indication in an elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine very well. So let's talk about scope of a sanguinaria as a homeopathic medicine. So its first action is on the headache, on the head for the headache issues. So let's talk about it. So Sanguinaria canadensis is recommended mostly to treat headaches, as I have already said. It is specifically indicated for managing right-sided headaches, and the most characteristic symptom for using it is pain starting from the back of the head, that is occiput, that ascends up and settles over the right eye. The eye may become red and sore. Applying pressure on the eyes with hands brings relief. Pain in the head occurs periodically, means at fixed, regular intervals. The person feels as if the head would burst or the eyes would pop out. Pain is lancinating and throbbing in nature, and pain tend to increase and decrease with the rising and setting sun. Sleep helps to alleviate the pain, and headache is attended with nausea and vomiting, and there is relief by vomiting. Some may find relief by walking in the open air. And another unique feature for recommending this medicine is headaches gets better if copious urine, means and large quantity is passed. This medicine can be given for the headaches with pain in the right temple area, which get worse from movement and shaking. And it is also suitable medicine for managing headaches that occurs during menopause. Now, next use of sanguinaria is for the limbs complaint like joint pain, pain arterium, and ingrowing toenails. So the main action is seen on the joints, mainly on the shoulder joint. It is the best medicine to treat right-sided shoulder pain, and this medicine is also used for the cases of for the treatment of the cases of frozen shoulder in case of right shoulder especially. This medicine for treating frozen shoulder in my patient, and he was having frozen shoulder on the right side of his body, means on the right shoulder. And this medicine worked very excellently and it gives very excellent result, and the patient got cured within 15 or 20 days. Most cases needing it, pain get worse at night and from turning in bed, a person is unable to raise his or her arm, and this is a leading medicine for helping cases of deltoid muscle pain, means overuse, injuries, and strain. It is used when deltoid pain get worse from raising and turning the arm. The pain also increases by lifting up something, and the pain is cutting type, accompanied by stiffness. And other than the shoulders, its use can also be considered for managing left side hip joint pain and sharp pain in the right ankles. Beside, it is helpful for managing burning sensation in the palm and soles, which is a prominent at night. Another indication to use it is inflammation of the tissue which is near the fingernail. That is also called as pain artium. And lastly, this medicine can be used for the cases of ingrowing toenails when there is a pus formation. Now, next use of sanguinaria is for the face complaints like facial neuralgia or the nerve pain. So, Sanguinaria canadensis proves to be very effective in managing nerve pain in the face. The important symptom guiding its use is pain starting in the upper jaw, radiating to the nose, eyes, ears, side of the head, and neck. There is a shooting pain, angles of the jaw being tender. There is marked, circumscribed redness and burning sensation on the cheeks. This medicine also proves beneficial for stitching type of pain in the left side of the head. Now, next use of sanguinaria is for the nasal complaints like cold, polyps, and eczema. So, this medicine can handle well cases of cold and nasal polyps and smell disorders and eczema. Eczema means reduction in the size or the shrinkage of the nasal mucus lining and the underneath bone due to long-term inflammation. It gives good result if a person suffers from cold accompanied by dull heavy pain in the root of the nose. A stinging sensation may be felt in the nose. There is a water, nasal discharges, and sneezing. The discharge causes soreness in the nose and lips. Nasal blockage alternate with the watery discharges. Copious watering from the eyes that are sore means painful to touch is another indication to use this medicine. There is irritation and soreness in the throat along with cough. And this medicine act wonderfully to treat cases of nasal polyps. Nasal polyps are soft, non-cancerous, painless growth that develops on the lining of the nasal passage and paranasal sinuses. Sanguinaria is very effective in treating loss of smell as well as perverted means perceiving pleasant odor as a bad smell and sense of smell. A peculiar smell in the nose, like that of a roasted onion, may persist. For azena, it can be given when there is yellowish offensive nasal discharges. Now, next use of sanguinaria is for the respiratory issues like cough, asthma, and pneumonia. So, this medicine has an important action on the mucous membrane of the respiratory tract, which solves various complaints of respiratory system. It is useful for managing cough. Cough, which is related to the gastric issues, is the most prominent symptom for its use. Cough which get better by burping. There is a burning sensation in the chest along with the cough. There may occur expectorations of rusty colored, pus like, offensive smelling sputum. Wheezing and whistling in chest can occur along with cough. This medicine can be administered to the children who are suffering from dry, exhausting cough, which get worse at night and on lying down. And in cases of asthma, this medicine is useful when there is a difficult breathing which worsens from strong odors. The chest feels constricted, and in cases of pneumonia, it is recommended when there is a problem in breathing, along with the rust-colored expectorations. And beside these, there is a circumscribed redness with a burning heat on the cheeks. So these are the various conditions where Sanguinaria canadensis can be used successfully. Now, next we'll talk about the doses. So, depending on the case, it can be used from low to high potencies, and in general, it can be repeated often in low potencies, but frequent repetition is usually not advised when using in high potencies. Okay, so this was all about the doses. So, that's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the holistic health and world of natural healing. And thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of Sanguinaria canadensis as a homeopathic medicine. So take care. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.